Have you ever been practicing your multiplication facts and you feel really good about it until you get a problem with a 9? 9? 9? You no longer have to be afraid when you see a multiplication problem with a 9 because you actually have a calculator. And this calculator is attached to your body. It's right here. Today I'm going to show you the 9's trick. So we're going to go through a couple examples of multiplying 9's problems using our hand calculator. So how it works is you're going to put down the finger for whatever you're multiplying the 9 by. So for instance, 9 times 1, I'd put down the first finger, 9 times 2, second finger, and so on and so forth. All the way up to 10 since we have 10 fingers. So say for instance I wanted to do 9 times 2. I would put down my second finger, and now any finger to the left of that down finger is worth 10. So we have 1 10 here. And any of the fingers to the right of that down finger are equal to 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 9 times 2 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 9 times 5, no problem. Just put down the fifth finger. Remember, all the ones to the left of the down finger are worth 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40. Anyone to the right is worth 1. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. It's like magic. It's incredible. You can use this 9 trick for any multiplying by 9's fact up to 10. So from now on, if you see multiplying 9's on a test, or you need to solve one in the real world, there's no more reason to worry as long as you have the 9's trick. I'm going to show you some pictures of all of the multiplication facts up through 10. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe.